Hey guys, welcome. I am Urvee and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Phillips hair straightener brush. I'm going to be showing you how I exactly straighten my hair, how much time does it take and my review on it. So let's go. So this is how my hair looks. I have washed it 2 to 3 days ago. I just combed it, let it air dry, all of that. Now my hair is curly to wavy, and I do like to straighten my hair often because I have to film a lot of videos. So yeah, I do like to straighten it, and it takes me around 35 to 40 minutes with a flat iron to straighten my hair. I have used the Phillips one as well, but I got bored of that because I have been using that for the past 6 years. So I was like, let's try something new. So I bought this, and this is the Phillips hair straightener brush. I saw ads about it everywhere, so I was like, you know what, maybe let's give it a try, let's see how it goes. I bought this from Amazon. I will link it down below. There was a great sale, by the way. Now the box says that this is for 3,695 and I got it for 2,799, which is almost like 800 to 1,000 rupees less. So that is great. Now you get a extremely long cord with it. This is how the brush looks. Okay, look at it. And this one is on low heat, this one is on high heat. So now it is on extremely high heat, and then this one is on like medium kind of heat, and you turn it off like that. So I haven't plugged it in, I will just plug it in. So I have just plugged it in. Let me just put it to the highest setting. Now it will start blinking. Okay, it is when it blinks, like when it is blinking, you have to know that it is getting heated up. So once the color, like when the blink stops and the color, like it's lit up only white, that means it is completely like heated up, so you can use it. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you one side of my hair by straightening it using this brush, and it says that you will get naturally straight looking hair in 5 minutes. And it has keratin infused ceramic coating, triple bristle design, paddle shape to straighten your hair more. Temperature of the bristle stays optimized to a minimum heat damage, all of that jazz. And yeah, there are two temperature settings, all of that. Let's get ahead and started. Also, this has a 2-year warranty, which is amazing. I'm just gonna tie my hair here, and usually what I like to do is that I section my hair when I was straightening, and I can literally see flames. I don't know if you can see, not flames, but I can see like the dhua from it. I don't know if that's good or bad. I'm just keeping a mirror down, that's why I'm looking down. Now you can like partition it like more. Let's partition it a bit more. Now the weight of this is a little bit, I wouldn't say that it's not heavy at all, but it is, ouch. And this is the highest setting, and it is very very hot. Like you might need a comb to touch it, or you might have to wear gloves. And this literally, in 2 combs, I feel like my hair is absolutely straightened. Oh wow. Now I don't prefer pokey straight hair, so I feel like this is what I would usually go for, and this is pretty straight. Like you can see the difference. Wait, okay, look at the difference over here. So I mean, that happened with the highest setting. Okay, again with the highest setting, I feel like with just 2 brush strokes your hair will be straightened. Now if you want extremely pokey ones, then you might need to go more than that, but I feel like I'm happy with how my hair is looking right now. Also, another thing is that it's not taking extremely long, which is an amazing thing. Like literally I could be done in like 5 minutes, but since that I'm talking to you guys, it's taking quite long. But yeah, now that section is literally done in like what, 5 minutes for me. Not even 5 minutes, like it took me like 2 minutes. It does get heated up like very very quickly, so you need to be a little bit cautious. And anytime if you want, you can just put it to the lower setting. If you are in a hurry, definitely go for the higher setting one, like this. It's so much easier. Like it gets like kind of perfectly straight, because it's at the same time it's combing the hair and also like straightening it, so it's kind of good. Last bit. Now I want this bit to be a bit more straight because of my baby hair and I don't like it that much. So I prefer this section to be a bit more straighter. I have used this in like normal small settings, like the lowest one, and I was able to straighten my hair in like 15 minutes. I won't say like complete 10 minutes, but yeah, I took my sweet time to try it out. And this is the highest setting one, and as you can see, literally poker straight, not like poker straight, but yeah, straight in 2 swipes and you're good to go. Honestly, I feel like this is great if you are just bored of straightener and if you need a straightener brush. I did try the Vega or like the Nova straightener brush for 500 rupees a long time ago, but I wasn't happy with that. Let me tell you why. It did not heat up. The plug or the socket which was there, which was too weak, is wasn't, it never like used to get put in the socket like really nicely. वो socket निकल जाता था from the plug, electricity plug. Ouch! And just like that, I burned myself. But yeah, be careful. But this one is doing a great job, and let me just show you. Let me turn this off. Look at the difference. Let me show you. Okay, over here. Look at the difference. This is my natural hair, and this is the straightened hair using the hair straightener, and still there is like a lot of flames coming out. So I would recommend using it at a lower setting than the highest setting. Now I have it on the lower setting and I will straighten it for you, and I will tell you in how many swipes my hair is getting straightened. Now in this, it just took me like 2 swipes and it was done. Let's try it out with the lower setting first. Okay, it did take like 3-4 swipes to get the straight hair, so a little bit more time than that, but I feel like it's fine. If you don't want extreme heat on your hair, definitely use the lower setting. Now there are only 2 settings. Done. I was able to straighten my hair. Now this is not like extremely straight. This is like wavy kind of straight, and this is honestly how I prefer my hair to be. It didn't take me like under 5 minutes. It took me like 10 to 15 minutes, which was still a great thing. Usually it used to take me like 30 to 40 minutes. It took me 10 to 15 minutes, 10 minutes if I was on the higher settings. And yeah, it's pretty good. It's looking pretty straight. I love how it looks. It's not poker straight, which is also again what I like. I feel like even the behind and everything, you can really like go in here and straighten it, which is a great thing. Time saving as well. So yeah, I really like this one. Let me just show you how it is looking now over here, and yeah, very cute. Love it. Would I be using the Phillips hair straightening brush again? Definitely. I can see myself using these for years and years and years. I do feel like it is worth the investment. It is a bit heavy, and I'm not gonna lie, like you will start seeing like flames, not like flames, but you'll start seeing smoke coming out of it. Then that's the time you'll have to be like, okay, like this is too much. Just lower the temperature and you will be fine. It is very time saving, especially if you have to like straighten your hair on a regular basis. I think this is going to be good. Use a heat protectant spray as well. I did use it and I feel like you could be good to go. I feel like it's such a great investment for people who would want like semi-straight hair. I feel like this can be a great thing. Again, if you're tired of hair straighteners, I feel like this can be an amazing option as well. It has a 2-year warranty. It does not get heat up extremely, but yeah, I would recommend it to keep in a safe place after you have used this, and it is pretty cooling right now. So yeah. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. I post many more videos regarding beauty and lifestyle fashion over here. So definitely subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.